This is amazing property here in Talisay, Batangas, Philippines. Right, so watch this. Saba ng peacock. So anyway, so good day again. My name is Ray at nandito tayo sa Talisay, Batangas to feature this beautiful farm resort for sale. So by the way, this property with a total land area of 10,350 square meters. This is titled with beautiful frontage of about 100 plus meters frontage. And this estate has fruit-bearing trees, may pavilion, may main houses, may gazebo, may dalawang swimming pool, mayroon kang mga animals, plus this estate is functional. Okay, but before that, this estate is selling in the market for 55 million pesos, capital gain tax included. So if you are interested to check out this beautiful property with a magnificent view of Taal Lake, mountains, and the greens, so follow me and we'll check out and explore this property for sale. Okay, so right here is your main entrance. So this main entrance right here, dalawang gate yan siya. So maganda ang pwesto ng transformer in case of the electric supply. So meron kang battery supply, no? Meron siyang transformer. And this will be your car garage or parking space. So this parking space right here can accommodate mga 20 SUVs. And that over there is your water pump area. Ang maganda dito sa property na to, gagamitin nyo na lang because this one is enclosed with fence. Marami ka pang space over there wherein pwede pang maglagay ng zip line and other amenities. But right now, ang amenities na meron dito is this one right here. Okay? So on this side, meron kang mango tree with a gazebo, beautiful space for a coffee area or is something pleasure area right there. Okay, so to my right side is your water park features, the pavilion space, the rooms, the playground. Later on I will check that out. So over here is your main house, no? So ang ganda ng facade nitong estate na to. So look at the main house right here. So malalaki yung mga bintana. You've got a nice deck design. Of course, this front porch, main entrance, napakaganda, no, as a events place. So anyway, this property is selling fully furnished. No, anything na andito sa property are included. Okay, so welcome to your beautiful property here in Talisay, Batangas, Philippines. So this is your main house. So right here is your stairways taking you to the video okay area or the rooms under stairs, which later on we'll check out. Right here is your dining area. This space right here can accommodate even mga 10-seaters dining table. And right here is your pantry space, no? So you've got this bathroom and this is your cooking area. Straight counter with ceiling fan. Okay, so this is your dining space and right here is your lounge area and over there additional lounge space. Oh, this is the magnificent view of the property, this view deck over here. So you've got this tables with chairs and tables. Of course, you've got this ceiling fan already, plus guys, ayan, napakaganda. So look at the view, no? Mayroon kang view of the hydrosphere. You've got the view of the habitat, and you've got the view of the mountains, the lakes, the volcano, even the Lian Ocean, no? Look at that, no? Just imagine, meron kang property with a breathtaking and magnificent view. Okay? Napakaganda rin dito na maglagay ng mga ornamental plants, live plants, or even indoor plants. So just imagine, itong improved property, almost 5,000 square m. But since the property is 10,305, you still have a lot of spaces wherein pwede pa kayong mag-improve, mag-develop, or even pwede kayong maglagay ng zipline, or pwede nyo gawing mini zoo, or 5-star hotel, no? Ito. Because the location of this property is near Tagaytay City at malapit kayo sa Balay Isabel. Okay? So, now we'll check out the ground level to check out the rooms on the ground floor. Okay, let's go, Benji. Alright, so again, this is the second level of the property, which is ito yung pinaka lounge area and your view deck area. Now we'll check out the basement or the first level of the property. Beautiful stairways, nice wooden elements, itong mga steps na ginamit, at saka ang tibay nitong handles na to. Okay? So, dito sa baba, meron kang video okay area and 2 rooms plus 3 rooms, by the way. Okay, so right here, another bedroom with bathroom. Great space. Look at this one with beautiful oversized window. With AC already, plus complete features of the bathroom. And right here is your storage spaces dito sa loob na yan. And kung mahilig kayong kumanta, kumain, well, this space talaga namang inihahanda sa'yo. So look at this space right here that can accommodate mga 15 persons or more with a view deck again. Huh? And right here, another bedroom with bunk bed, with a bathroom space, with AC. Beautiful space for a camping site. Now we'll check out the view deck. Wow. So again, this is the second view deck of the property. So we're in, nandito yung maraming mga ornamental plants, live plants, even the good wood na seems like itong 3,000 mahogany trees or more. So just imagine, meron kang mangga, may makopa, lahat ng fruit-bearing trees mayroon dito sa property na ito. Mag-mention lang kayo hanggang sa marang. Okay, so we're done right here and we'll check out the water park. Okay, so we'll check out the water park. Let's go, Benji. Anyway, on this side, landscape garden space. And to my right side, you've got your playground space, no? Napakadaming space as the playground area. And right here, so you've got a 2 walkway taking you to the park and taking you to the bedrooms. No, dito muna tayo. Okay, and cute gazebo over here. Wow. See? Nice! Even dito sa side na to, you have your set of tables and chairs plus the magnificent view of that lake and that mountains right there. So, right now, this is your swimming pool. Wow! Beautiful design. Huh? Swimming pool right here. So, ang water pump over there and you've got your kiddie pool right there. So, this side right here is your gorgeous gazebo. Now check this one. Wow. See, meron ka pang a set of furnitures over here. Beautiful size. Beautiful place. Napakaganda dito, lalo na kung mayroong kanta someone will lead you or something. Ano ba tawag doon? Lonely table just for one. Anyway, so right here you've got this bedrooms over here with 3 bedrooms yan with a bathroom. Okay, so we'll check out the pavilion space. Very beautiful for any events, even wedding debut or any gathering or family gathering. Now check that out. Alright, so again, no, this property with a total land area of 10,350 square meters. So you've got pavilion, main house, and 3 bedrooms with 6 bedrooms on the main house, of course. Meron kang playground area, beautiful parking space. Meron kang 3,000 puno ng mahogany. Marami kang fruit-bearing trees. No, seems like mangga, nyog, makopa, lansones, whatsoever. So mayroon pa po ditong madami pang ornamentals dito sa property nito. And this is your pavilion space, no? Perfect for any events, gatherings, venue. So ang hindi matatawarang view dito is that view right there, no? Check that out. Okay, so from this end, nakikita nyo yung bundok ng Taal, plus that lake over there. Makikita mo rin yung dagat ng Lian. So just imagine yung elevation ng property na ito is perfect for a vacation home, holiday home, or a permanent home, or maybe you can also convert the property into a commercial business, just commercial or a restaurant wherein with a full view of mountains and lakes. Okay, so aside from this spot right here, dito sa ilalim, mayroon ka pang malawak na space wherein pwede gawing dining area. Check this out. Ang maganda sa property na ito is you can easily locate the property because this one is enclosed with perimeter fence, no? Ang mahal din magpa-fence ngayon. So ang isang pirasong hollow block na 5, 14 pesos. Mahal lang ang gasoline. Anyway, so right here, just imagine na itong 10,350 is enclosed with perimeter wall. So napakadami, ilang millions na rin yung naubos nila. Okay, so right here you have got your cooking area or barbecue area. May wash area. And another surfaces, another vacant spaces wherein pag nandito kayo, magagamit ng inyong mga guests or even your family or your mga special VIPs. Okay, so right here, ang lamig. Kasi just imagine, no, napapalibutan ka na madaming mga halaman. Even this one, no, ito is sampalok tree. Meron kang kawayan area. Okay. And on this side, great room, no? Check this one. Wow, so this is the great room, by the way. So this is great room. Why? Because you've got a space here wherein pwede kang maglagay ng madaming chairs and tables. Also, meron kang space as your bar area. Even meron kayong space for a cinema space over here. So napakaganda as place na pwedeng gawing bar area, no? Kumikita pa din. Okay, so the space right here can accommodate even mga 20 persons. Alright, so to complete this space, may bathroom and toilet and space. No, kompleto. No, check this one. Ito na lang tayo. Wow. Ay, sarado siya. Pero you've got a bathroom space right here. Right, so right here, giveaway na to eh. Anyways, marami kang manok. And over there is the caretaker's house. And meron kang mga ducks right here. Napakasap niyang barbecuehin. And even this one right here. So mga imported birds. And meron kang even on this side, meron kang giant turtle over here, no? Kasama na rin siya. Okay, look at that one. Even on this side, meron kang pabo. And meron kang peacock area right there. So napakadaming mga birds na included dito sa property for sale. Okay, so we will go over there to give you the recap of this estate for sale. Let's go, Benji.
Give me all you've got if you're prepared to break the silence. I'll be out in the sunshine, running beside the lions. I've been feeling down, but I've been looking up, afraid to fall. God, I've been so down, can you pick me up?
Alright, no, before we end, no, again, no, thank you so much to our listing agents and brokers for bringing us dito sa Talisay, Batangas to feature this farm resort existing and generating property for sale. So by the way, this property with a total land area of 10,350 square meters, this one is Torrens, enclosed with perimeter fence. You've got main house with 6 bedroom with 2 viewing deck. Of course, you've got a 2 swimming pool, plus over there you've got your beds and rooms, plus meron kang malaking pavilion space and a great room on the ground level of that pavilion area. So this property is Torrens and selling in the market for 55 million pesos, capital gain tax included. So if you are interested to check out and buy this generating property here in Talisay, Batangas, Philippines, you can reach us on the number visible on the screen. So again, my name is Ray and I hope to see you in our next video. Maraming salamat po, daghang salamat. Gracias amigo, amiga all over the globe. Thank you very much and God bless everybody.